Locked out of your Barclays banking app and feeling the frustration? Don't worry, we're here to get you back in control of your finances in just a few simple steps. First things first, let's make sure you're running the latest version of the Barclays app. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on an iPhone, search for Barclays, and tap Update. If you see the option Outdated apps can often cause login problems. Next up, we're going to try clearing the app's cache on Android. Go to your phone's settings, find Apps or Application Manager. Then locate Barclays, tap on Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can sometimes cause conflicts. Unfortunately, iPhones do not allow you to clear the app cache, so you would need to delete and re-download the app. If clearing the cache doesn't work, your next best bet is to uninstall and reinstall the app on both Android and iPhone. Long press the Barclays app icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall or Delete App. Once it's gone, head back to the App Store and download it again. This gives you a fresh start. Still locked out? Double-check that you're entering the correct username and password. Passwords can be case-sensitive, so make sure Caps Lock isn't on. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgotten Your Login Details link on the login screen to reset it. Finally, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak Wi-Fi signal or mobile data connection can prevent the app from connecting to Barclays servers. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these steps has got you back into your Barclays app. If you're still facing issues after trying these solutions, reaching out to Barclays customer support directly might be necessary. Good luck, and thanks for watching.